Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as at now, I'm thinking about making my home a smart home, and I know most of you also want to use that automated system. So I went across this shop that deals in basically everything smart home decor. That is their name. They are located at Haatso. So just listen to one of few things the guy took me through so that I will understand the smart system. So let's get into the video.
So these are your switches. They are like any normal switch. But what makes the home smart is that these switches and sockets that are here are smart. So once it becomes smart, or before it becomes smart, you can control it manually with the soft touch buttons like any switch. Just like I'm doing here. I can turn things off. These were supposed to be located in the various rooms. I want to demonstrate it. That's why they are here. Two, because they are smart, they are connected to the Wi-Fi or can connect to the Wi-Fi, and they come with an app.
Okay.
So once they come with an app, automatically all these buttons on just this switch comes from your phone. And when they are labeled right from your phone, you can access this switch and turn off this button from your phone. Okay. Exactly. Apart from having this switch and being able to control it on your phone, this master screen here called the workstation can be installed in the master bedroom, the hall, or the corridor. And once it's installed, you can control your home from this screen. So imagine you're in the master bedroom, you can turn
The whole
house off or on. You can see which rooms are still on. Are they going to school? They left things on. You can see it from here and deal with that. Thirdly, you can program certain lights to turn on and off at a certain time. So let me give you an example. For your outside lights, you can say at 6 p.m. in the evening you should turn on, or 5 p.m. you should turn on. 6 a.m. you should go off. And you can do exactly that once there is internet.
So let's say the home has already been wired,
Yeah.
and even some of the rooms are in use. So let's say in that case, how does it work?
There is no problem at all. So what we have to do is come and inspect the home to see what kind of wiring was done. All we need to look at is whether a special kind of wire was brought to where the switches would be, only the switches. But for sockets, we can automate them because they use the normal thread cables. But with switches, you need a neutral wire there. So once a neutral is coming there, we can go ahead with replacing them with smart switches to automate what we want to automate. But however, if they didn't bring the neutral, there's still a way to loop neutral from your board to where the switches would be. So it's not a problem without even cutting.
So okay, let's say if I'm to do the smart for, let's say, the hall.
Yeah.
Because my hall is something like this. The hall is there, then the dining area is something like this. That is how the plan is.
Okay.
So let's say maybe for the hall lights, because I think the hall there's a lot of lights there.
Okay.
So for the hall lights and maybe the fan.
Okay. Okay, so let me complete the package that was explained so that you can understand it. So apart from having the switch, controlling it manually, controlling it from your phone as well, we can also control from here.
Okay.
We can control from our phone. Then the last one is the voice assistance through the Alexa Echo Dot there. So let me demonstrate it. Alexa, turn off dining lights. So this is the dining.
Okay.
The dining light is off. This master bedroom. Alexa, turn off master bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on TV. Here's the TV. The TV will turn on because it's using a smart socket. Once it's using a smart socket, you can communicate to that socket through internet.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off TV.
Okay.
So we demonstrated how the fan is smart. I'm going to demonstrate how this place too is smart because it's smart. Alexa, turn off lights in the house.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on lights in the house. So once we name the various lights in a specific room, we can also once we name the switches. So we can give the switch that controls only here a name. We can give the switch that controls light behind the board a name.
Okay.
You can also give switches that control a kitchen a name so that you can be specific in telling Alexa what to turn.
So that means in that case, since you use Alexa to operate, let's say the home, 100% there is always internet.
There should be always internet for the smart aspect of it. But if there's no internet, it can
operate it manually.
as a manual socket or so.
So let's say if you are using only for the hall, you need a smart there.
Yeah.
As I asked earlier on, how is that going to be possible?
So
maybe like for the TV,
yeah.
For the lights, all the LED lights there, and the fan.
Okay, so ours comes in packages, and with the packages we have. Someone would say, I just want lights.
Yeah.
I want curtains. That's a smart curtains. Let me open it so that you see. So that's it over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a smart curtain. I can turn on the TV. It's a smart door lock. I just open it and
okay.
There are a lot of components, curtains, CCTV, and all that you can automate. And our lowest package, which would include your sockets, a number of sockets, a number of switches, the Alexa, and ACs as well, is 35,000.
Okay.
Yeah. Then as the packages go on, we even add the smart center table, we add the door, smart door locks, we add the smart WC like we have over there. We add the curtain rails, that's a smart curtain rail in the corner there. So depending on what you want in the package.
Okay, so let's say if someone wants only for the curtains too.
Then that means you buy the curtain rail independently of the package. Okay. Yes. So these are the curtains for all the doors, or for this lock. And most doors have the same holes in them when you remove the handle. So if a door comes, because they manufacture doors in different countries and they might have different curtains. So if it's not compatible to this, you just need to put it there, and the carpenter will mark out these circles and use a screw machine, what we call the screw gun, to create those holes, and it's simple to install. So let me give you the features of our smart door lock. This first a thumbprint. We install only those who have their thumbprint on it. It comes with a card. It's very master card. You put it here, it unlocks. It comes with keypad, so if you can see the numbers there to unlock. It comes with a master key, so that this uses battery and can last for minimum about 3 months before charging. But if the battery runs down, then it becomes manual, then you have to use the key to open it. Apart from that, it comes with an app. So you can do manual opening, remote opening and remote closing of this door lock, even when you're not close at all. Okay. And because it uses internet, that's why it's able to do that. So that's the smart aspect of it. Once it becomes smart, thumbprint works, keypad works, the app also works. You can do remote opening, but once the internet or battery is out, then it becomes manual, use the key.
Alright.
So you are still safe.
Yeah.
You get it. Yeah. So with what you are requesting for the TV, the hall.
Let's say for the hall.
Let me understand what you want.
Maybe for the lights.
The lights in the room.
For the TV itself. There will be AC there, so obviously the AC. And maybe for the curtains.
The curtains as well. Okay.
But the thing is, the curtains is separated.
Okay.
Double one here. There's a space there.
Okay.
Then another one here. It's about four at the hall.
4 at the hall. Okay.
So in that case, I think I would have to buy a lot of.
A curtain rail. Yeah.
Or can we
I don't know
do
if you want to automate all the curtains in the hall or just maybe the high ceiling part of it. I don't know how the hall is like. Maybe there's a particular space in the hall that one can be automated.
Okay.
But the rest you can make a manual. I don't know your.
Okay, so let's see. There is one where the door is.
Okay.
There's one here, there's one here, then the door is in the middle.
Okay.
So maybe that one can be automated.
Okay.
Then this side will be manual.
Okay.
I don't know if you see how the hall is.
I'm getting it.
You're getting the plan.
Yeah, I'm getting
so it's like this, then it comes all the way like this.
Yeah.
So this is the front face of the house.
Okay. Are people living in it already?
Yes.
Okay, so with the smart curtains, what usually happens is that you need sockets either on the left or the right where
you want it.
Yeah, let me go inside. This is how the real looks like.
Okay.
It's two because one is for the light curtains, one is for the heavy curtains.
All right.
You get it. This is where the curtains would hang on, like every curtain. Instead of the bar, it hangs on this. Your motor, which is smart, would come here. Once it comes here, it's connected to power source.
Yeah.
You get it. Let me start again. Curtain rails. This one for the heavy curtains. This one for the light curtains. These are the hooks to hang your curtains on. A motor, which is smart and is connected to electricity, comes here. And because it's smart, it comes with an app.
Okay.
And can operate from your phone. You get it. That smart motor can also be programmed to open at a specific time and close at a specific time. Apart from that, so this comes with a remote to be able to operate like a TV.
Yeah.
So you can be far away without going to your phone. Use the remote to open, use the remote to close.
Yeah, I know of the remote one.
Yes. Apart from that, you can also use the Alexa.
To operate.
You can bind it to Alexa and use Alexa to open it. Then lastly, this is what does the opening and closing.
So let's say if you want to use you see there is void in the middle and the heavy ones. Can this truck take?
Yes, it can take. We have a maximum load that it can take for each meter. Yeah, so if maybe it's 1 meter, we have a maximum load they can take. If it's 2 meters, we have a maximum load. And with that, when they come and do the estimate, they would be able to determine what to load. But it's been suited for heavy materials. Okay. I don't know if I've explained.
Oh, I get it. I get it.
So it has a fridge that you can store your water, your drink, and all that thing. It has a wireless charger. So if you have a phone that uses a wireless charger, you can just connect it here, put it here, and then it works. Yeah, his phone. But
yeah, guys. So for the smart table, it has a fridge, as you can see, a wireless charging, an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. You can also charge or plug something. It also has a USB ports of about 5 of them, charging ports about 3 of them. All this WC here can be automated. Yes, so almost all the things that you see in this video, they can do it the smart way for you. So basically, this WC, they are in various colors as well, and they are very nice. All the showers there, all the mixers, every single thing you see in this particular showroom, you can make it smart. Yes, and their shop is located at Haatso, just after the Haatso Total Filling Station. They are there. Their name is Smart Home Decor. Just enter that into the Google map and it will take you straight there. Everything you need to make your home smart and well effective for you. I think now we are living in a new world whereby things can be operated very easily by just using speech to control. Yes, all this lighting you see here, everything can be automated. So that is it for this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. I will get the number and put it in the description, so in case you guys want to make any inquiry, you will talk to them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next update. Bye bye.